Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing a full power cycle to clear transient faults. Hold the Xbox button for about 10 seconds until the console powers off, then unplug the power cable and wait 60 seconds. This resets the internal power supply state. While it rests, disconnect external USB drives and controllers so they do not interfere. Make sure your HDMI cable is fully seated and the TV is on the correct input. Try a spare HDMI cable or another TV to rule out display issues. Once done with the power cycle, you need to reach the Xbox Startup Troubleshooter so you can update or reset without loading the OS. Power the console off again, then hold the bind button and eject button simultaneously and press power. Keep holding bind plus eject until the troubleshoot menu appears. Choose Offline System Update if you prepared a FAT32 USB drive containing the official system update folder. If the update fails, write down the error code and continue to the factory options in the menu to repair or reset. You now complete recovery by trying the least destructive option. Choose Reset and keep My Games and Apps to preserve installed content while restoring system files. If that fails, perform a full factory reset and then use your prepared USB or network update to reinstall the OS. After the console boots, sign in so cloud saves and licenses sync, and reinstall your apps from My Games and Apps. If the green screen returns, swap power and HDMI components, and if still unresolved, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.